Greetings, in this quick video I want to show you how to remove this embosser customized insert in any embosser notary that looks like this. It's got the handle. Doesn't matter what brand that you have. This particular one is a Trodat, but it doesn't matter if you have a MaxSeal or a Shiny. There's several different model brands of these. So first of all, this particular one has like a lock on it. The only reason it has that lock, it has nothing to do with removing the insert. You just push down and you lock it. That's just way it's secure for storage and that it won't break it by storing it. All right, so let's go ahead and unlock it, and that handle will go up. To remove the insert, only thing you have to do is squeeze the top and the bottom out, and that will expose the personalized dies on here. All right, and now to reinsert it, it's fairly easy. You just squeeze and you line it up. Just make sure that the top, this says up here, so you want to make sure that that's up, and that will, you'll feel it click in. You'll know it's working. All right, and if you squeeze just to test it, you know it's working. All right, so and also we'll put a link on the end of this video how to remove each of these individual dies. That's the personalized, customized dies. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.